What's going on, everybody? As always, it's a blessing to be here. You're here with UL Exchange. I'm the crypto Caressa, the Forex Finessa, and the stock Successor. By that being said, guys, today's topic will be on prepare for the greatest wealth transfer in cryptocurrency to start in 2022. So this is a specific topic I wanted to talk to you guys about because it's either you get prepared now or you will be left behind. But before we get into it, guys, if you guys are new to this channel or recurring viewers and you still have not hit the subscription, then I urge you guys to subscribe to this channel with the bell notification so you can be notified every single time I drop information-packed videos just like the one you're watching right now. And also so you can be financially thriving and financially successful instead of just being financially stable. Share this video with all your friends, family members, your cat, your dog, your uncle, your son, your grandma, your grandpa, everybody, your husband, your wife. Share it with everybody, guys. So by that being said, let's get straight into this video after the beautiful intro.
Forex, everything is Forex.
So we got three specific topics to cover today. Number one will be Gemini Exchange, ICE Wealth Management was the latest acquisition. The number two article is on crypto exchange FTX establishes a $2 billion fund to invest in crypto startups. And the number three, 1 in 4 businesses surveyed plan to accept cryptocurrency payments starting this year in 2022. And everything is already falling in line the way they want to. So now let's get straight into the first article. Okay, guys, so as you guys can see, Gemini Exchange ICE Wealth Management with latest acquisition. So what are they talking about? Let's get straight into it. On January 13, Gemini announced a deal to purchase financial management firm Bitria for an undisclosed amount. Bitria had a digital assets platform and offers wealth management tools for financial advisors. So who are the CEO of the Gemini? This is the Winklevoss twins. You guys know there was a incident with the whole Facebook thing, said they made it, and they had behind closed doors, they got a good amount of money. So they used that money to do a startup, and now they're the owners of Gemini. But how many Bitcoin do they own? Let's take a look at their quick background history. In 2013, the brothers announced they approximately owned 11 million in Bitcoin and purchased it around $10 per coin. See, the twins still owned an approximately estimated 70,000 Bitcoins, which is well over $4.4 billion. From their $11 million investment, they became billionaires, and not just 1 billion, straight to the 4 billion mark. So now we got a quick background of their history. Let's get straight into it. So they made a deal to purchase financial management wealth for an undisclosed amount, which is Bitria. And according to CNBC, the $7 billion valued Gemini has signaled a major push into wealth management services with this latest move. So institutional product expansion. So Gemini has plans to combine its crypto exchange and custody services with Bitria's portfolio management programs. So this would allow financial advisors to carry out more advanced operations such as tax loss harvesting, and other services will include portfolio rebalancing, fee collection and billing, and account planning and data connectivity. And the speaker to CNBC continued to say, I quote, advisors manage the biggest pool of money in the country right now, and they're hearing from their clients they want to access to crypto. And what is wealth management? For you guys that don't know, it's just a quick description. Wealth management is an investment advisory service that combines other financial services to address the needs of affluent clients, which is the whole thing, to meet the complex needs of a client. And that's the whole thing about wealth management. Portfolios, they need to meet the needs of the clients. So what are the clients wanting right now? As you guys know, as you guys seen, the crypto market has been crazy. There's nothing in the stock that performs well in crypto. Nothing, you can name it, you can argue with it, nothing. Even a 10%, 5% gain in a whole annual year, APY, is seen as like you have some type of power. 10% gain is like amazing. Wow, you made 10% on your investment for the whole year. In crypto, you get 10%, 100% within the first hour. Within even a day, you may even get 1,000%. And that's the type of returns these investors are seeking for with the type of money they have. So continuing on, Gemini is aiming for a one-stop shop solution for investors and advisors to effectively manage both traditional assets and crypto investments. And Abner added that Gemini is already the largest service provider to crypto ETF. They're the largest service provider. Keep that in mind, okay? And it's now moving into a wealth space and aiming to be the first to do so. Quote, nobody else in the crypto space is looking at servicing the wealth management community the way that Gemini is. Gemini is trying to tender to the billionaires and even the trillionaires that we don't even know about. That type of people that have investments in these companies are looking to get into crypto with that type of money they have, because their type of money, with the type of money they have, a 5% increase is insane compared to, even what they're getting in the stock. Because if you put in 10 million, a billion, and you get 5% increase, or even 100% increase, or even 1,000% increase, that's just your wealth transfer will go crazy. That's why I'm saying prepare for the wealth transfer to start and with crypto in 2022. This will be the greatest wealth transfer in history. So prepare yourself. So as we scroll down a little bit too, you guys can see the year of M&A. The year could see a surge in mergers and acquisitions as the world's largest exchanges expand their operations beyond crypto trading. On January 12th, Coinbase announced the acquisition of commodity futures trading commissions, regulated derivatives exchange FairX, and it makes plans to offer crypto derivatives to US clients. So basically, Coinbase is now allowing you to be shorting cryptocurrencies or going long in cryptocurrencies, which you can do with stocks, but now it's coming to crypto on Coinbase. So that will give a lot of people the opportunity to make significant amount of money by putting in a small amount of money in the beginning. The next article talks about crypto exchange FTX establishes $2 billion fund to invest in crypto startups. The FTX Venture Fund will be one of the industry's largest, the Wall Street Journal announced. So we get in a little bit and dig a little deeper. FTX Venture is one of the industry's largest fund, the reporter said. The full funding came from who? The full funding came from FTX and its founder, Sam Bankman-Fried. Investments could be as low as 100,000 and as high as hundreds of millions of dollars. So you can't even get in this type of investment unless you already accredited investor. That's how it has to start. Accredited investor, I believe you have to make over 250,000 a year. But you see over here, the investments could be as low as 100,000 and as high as hundreds of millions of dollars. So if you don't have this type of money, then they're not even trying to look to work with you. That's just straight up what they're saying. So Wu, who joined FTX this month from Lightspeed Venture Partners, said the fund could deploy all of the funds by next year, which is 2023. But what are they doing in 2022? They already set the plans. They're working in 2022 to reap the benefits in 2023. But the dependence of the opportunities that FTX sees in the markets. In October, FTX raised $420.7 million. They raised $420.7 million, and the valuation was at what? The valuation was at $25 billion from $420.7 million. And again, Wu told the journal she is particularly interested in crypto gaming companies. With the whole metaverse coming, they're trying to do a whole crypto gaming, but also the biggest part and biggest sector, as well as insurance and security products. So pay attention to this insurance term. This will be coming up a lot during the next years and the following years to come. And FTX Ventures joins funds set up by other crypto exchanges such as Binance Labs and Coinbase Ventures, both of which have been in existence for several years. And crypto-related funds have boomed in the past year as cryptocurrency prices rallied. In November, Paradigm launched a $2.5 billion fund, the largest in crypto industry. As you guys can see, we talk about these cryptos, and the biggest amount of numbers that are being raised are like in the billions and billions of dollars. That's how much money is going into here. So again, be prepared for the biggest wealth transfer in history to proceed and start in 2022. And the third article is 1 in 4 businesses, even the small businesses, are getting into it because they don't want to be left behind. 1 in 4 businesses surveyed plan to accept cryptocurrencies payments this year. So we get into it. Small businesses in 9 countries plan to accept cryptocurrency this year. By the way, guys, if you guys are interested in anything I talked about, if you found it useful, subscribe to this channel and give it a thumbs up and share it on your way out. And Visa published a study on digital payments on Wednesday. It was conducted by Wakefield Research in December 2021 and basically interviewed over 2,250 small business owners with 100 employees each or fewer in Brazil, Canada, Germany, Hong Kong, Ireland, Russia, Singapore, United Arab Emirates, and the United States. So in over 9 countries, they looked at 2,250 small businesses. That's a good amount of sample for me, if you ask me. So basically in 2022 includes, quote, going long on digital payments, even crypto, end quote, the payment giant detailed. This is Visa speaking. And again, I quote, of the surveyed, 24% said they plan to accept digital currencies, such as the cryptocurrency Bitcoin. We'll see how well that does, but XRP will be coming in soon. The company elaborated an overwhelming 82% of the SMB surveyed said they plan to accept some form of digital payments in 2022, and 73% said accepting new forms of payment as fundamental to business growth. They are 100% right. They better get with the system, accept the money, get started with a cryptocurrency, or they will be left behind just like everybody else. You see it? 82% said they accept some form of digital payment in 2022, and 73% said accepting some form of digital payments is a form of business growth. Fundamental key part, by the way. It's not just a regular thing. So that's it, guys. I want to keep this video simple, but also information packed so you can truly understand and see what the giants are doing in the cryptocurrency market, but on the whole business perspective as well, and including the wealth management services that the big company in Wall Street is offering its clients, and what its clients are seeking from their wealth management services as well. But that being said, guys, if you guys enjoyed the show for today, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, hit that bell notification so you can be notified every single time I drop information packed videos, just like the one you're watching right now. And also so you can strive to be financially successful, financially great, financially thrive, instead of just financially stable. With that being said, guys, thanks for tuning in to watch this video. God bless. I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace out.
I surrender right now.